by burning fuel that forces the pistons to turn the crankshaft located at the bottom of the engine. The rotational force of the crankshaft is transferred to the transmission by the fluid pressure inside the torque converter. Okay, inside the torque converter, we have the pump, we have the impeller, we have the stator. All these three, because of the pressure of the fluid, are going to act and they convert the torque according to the requirement of the vehicle, and the same thing is applied to the road wheels. Okay, now today we are going to discuss, we have discussed about what are the advantages and disadvantages of the torque converter. Now we should discuss today what is overdrive and how it functions, what are its advantages, where are these overdrive they are used. All these things we are going to discuss today. As far as the overdrive is concerned, overdrive is the operation of an automobile cruising at sustained speed with reduced engine revolutions per minute, leading to better fuel consumption, lower noise, and lower VA. Okay, the overdrive is a component of, it is one of the component of transmission system which is attached generally at the end of the gearbox in order to provide highest gear output with minimum engine input, which in turn makes the drive smooth and more fuel efficient. Just look here how the overdrive will support. Overdrive, it is a component of the transmission system which is attached at the end of the gearbox in order to provide highest gear output with minimum engine input, which in turn makes the drive smooth and more fuel efficient. Okay, it is the overdrive is an arrangement of sun and planetary gear which are arranged in such a fashion that when overdrive is enabled, it provides high rotation per minute to the output shaft with a reduced engine rotation per minute, which in turn provides smooth operation of the engine, and it is noise free. The noise produced is less, and the fuel economy we are going to get better. High fuel economy of the vehicle is obtained. See, so the main advantage of using, we have seen what is overdrive. Overdrive, it is a component of transmission system, and it is attached at the end of the gearbox. It is attached at the end of gearbox in order to provide highest gear output with minimum engine input, which in turn makes the drive smooth and more fuel efficient. Here, by using this overdrive, we are going to get the fuel economy. Okay, the fuel consumption is reduced. This is first point. And by using this overdrive, another advantage we are going to get is the noise produced by the vehicle or during the transmission. It is very minimal compared to without using the overdrive the vehicle which it runs. Okay, and even the wear produced by the vehicle, it is also reduced by using the overdrive. By using the overdrive, these are the benefits which we are getting by using the overdrive. See, one point remember, overdrive, it is a component of transmission system and it is attached at the end of gearbox. Okay, by using overdrive, we are going to get the fuel economy and we are going to get the smooth operation of the vehicle the noise produced is less, and the fuel economy, high fuel economy of the vehicle is opted. Is opted. Okay. Why this overdrive is needed? Okay. Let us discuss. Before we discuss what is overdrive, why the overdrive is required. Particularly, see, when we go on a long drive, when we go on a long drive, we shift our drive to the top gear. When we go, all of you look here, when we go on a long drive, we shift our drive to the top gear, which is said to be the direct drive, which means that the final output shaft is rotating at the engine's rpm, which in turn somehow increases the load on the engine shaft. Okay. So if the overdrive is used, overdrive can be used with the transmission box, which can reduce the engine's load. By using the overdrive with the transmission box, the load on the engine it is reduced, and it provides the high speed higher than the engine rpm during the long run. Okay, this parameter necessitates the use of this thing. Here two parameters. What happens once when we are driving the vehicle without the overdrive? What happens whenever we go for long drive, that too at the top gear, and the speed of the vehicle it is almost equal to speed of the engine, and in this case the load on the engine increases. The load on the engine increases. Yes. Okay. Once when the load on the engine increases, the fuel consumption will be more. The fuel consumption will be more. Yes, this can be reduced by using the overdrive with the transmission system, with the transmission box, which can reduce the engine's load and provides high speed higher than the engine rpm during a long run. And once when the load on the engine is decreased, definitely the fuel economy is the first priority of any user of the vehicle. In particular, the fuel economy is the first priority of the middle class people in countries like India. As overdrive reduces the engine's load, so it is obvious that with decreased engine load, we get better fuel economy. Once when the load on the engine is decreased, what happens? Definitely the fuel consumption reduces. That means we are going to have a better fuel economy of the vehicle. Okay, this is first point. Second point, what necessitates the use of overdrive? In high-end cars, generally this overdrive, where this overdrive is used, see, in Audi car, in Mercedes car, where the luxury and smooth riding experience is the priority which cannot be compromised. So the cars having automatic transmission is equipped with overdrive, which makes them more luxurious. And nowadays the Indian manufacturers in particularly in Maruti car, they're trying to incorporate the overdrive. Okay. Okay. As the engine load is reduced by using the overdrive, as the engine's load is reduced by using the overdrive, which in turn reduces the wear of the vehicle, tear of the vehicle, as well as the transmission box. So we can say that using the overdrive, or using the overdrive, which reduces the maintenance of automobile vehicle, the maintenance of automobile vehicle cost. Okay, if we speak of the performance by using the overdrive, it will provide 30% more speed than the engine speed. Okay, here the torque conversion is so high, whereby by using the overdrive, we can increase the speed of vehicle 30% more than the speed of the RPM. And as we know, overdrive, it is a device to step up the gear ratio in the car. It is fitted in between transmission and the propeller shaft. Okay, where it is located, the overdrive, always it is located between the transmission and the propeller shaft. And overdrive enables a high crushing speed to be attained with a comparatively low engine speed on long run. Use of overdrive results in less wear of the engine. Use of overdrive results in less wear of the engine and decreases the vibration of the engine and decreases the noise produced of the vehicle during its operation. As the friction is reduced, whereby the maintenance cost is also it is reduced. Once when the friction is reduced, maintenance cost is reduced, and we are going to save the fuel by using the overdrive. By using the overdrive. Okay. Now overdrive is generally put in all the vehicles. In all the vehicles other than special application vehicles, overdrive is generally fitted on the top gear of the gearbox. But in some sport cars where the speed of the vehicle is the paramount importance, overdrives are also fitted on gears other than top gear, which increases the torque ratios available. For example, when overdrive is fitted on top gear, third gear, and second gear. Once when the overdrive is fitted on top gear, third gear, and second gear, by using this overdrive on these three gears, 7 different speeds or torque ratios are available. 7 different speeds or torque ratios are available. 7 different speeds, 7 different forward speeds or torque ratios are available by using the overdrive on top gear, on third gear, and on second gear. The overdrive, it is the component of the transmission system, may be operated either manually or automatically at a predetermined speed. All of you see here, the overdrive. A small disturbance is coming. Please mute all of your in your the place where you are. Okay. Right. See, you can see the figure. You can see the figure. I will explain how the overdrive works. Just concentrate on the figure. You can see the figure. Overdrive, in this figure you can see this overdrive consists of an epicyclic gear train in which the sun gear it consists of an epicyclic gear train in which the sun gear is free to rotate on the input shaft. while the carrier can move, while the carrier can move on splines, on splines, on the input shaft. See the figure. It consists of an epicyclic gear train in which the sun gear is free to rotate on the input shaft. On the input shaft. What is the input shaft? That is the engine shaft. A freewheel clutch, a freewheel clutch, a freewheel clutch. A freewheel clutch is also fitted. A freewheel clutch is also fitted on the input shaft splines. You can see I have placed the cursor there only. This is the a freewheel clutch is also fitted on the input shaft splines. This is the output shaft. This is the output shaft. The output shaft is connected to the ring. The output shaft. The output shaft is connected to the ring. The output shaft is connected to the ring. When the sun gear is locked, when the sun gear, you see the figure, when the sun gear is locked with the casing, once when the sun gear is locked with the casing, once when the sun gear is locked, you see the figure, once when the sun gear is locked with the casing, that is, it becomes stationary. The sun gear will become stationary of the output shaft as the output shaft is increased. That is, overdrive is engaged. Once when the sun gear is locked, sun gear will become stationary. By then, the overdrive is engaged. The overdrive is engaged. Okay. Now, second condition here you can see when the sun gear is locked to the carrier. Once when the sun gear, once you see the figure, once when the once when the sun gear is locked to the carrier or to the ring, solid drive is obtained. Solid drive is obtained. Thus, depending on the locking of the sun gear, it all depends on locking of the sun gear with the ring gear or with the carrier, the overdrive or the normal direct drive is obtained. Once when the sun gear is okay, once when the sun gear it is locked with ring gear or with the carrier, overdrive, you can see the figure, overdrive is engaged. There is another possible control by using this locking. There is another possible control of the mechanism. You see the figure. There is another possible control of the mechanism, that is when the sun wheel, once when the sun wheel is kept free, once when the sun wheel is kept free to rotate on the input shaft, when the sun wheel is kept free to rotate on the input shaft. In this case, there is a direct drive. In this case, there is a direct drive through the free wheel clutch, through the free wheel clutch when the engine develops power. See this condition you see, it is very, very important. Okay, in this condition, we are going to have another possible control of the vehicle mechanism, controlling mechanism. When the sun gear, so far we have discussed sun gear is locked. Now, once when the sun wheel is kept free to rotate on the input shaft. Once when the sun wheel is kept free to rotate on the input shaft. In this case, direct drive is obtained through the through the free wheel clutch, through the free wheel clutch when the engine develops power. Okay. Now we should see what are the advantages of using this overdrive. Okay. How this overdrive it supports in improving the performance of this. Okay. So if we look into the advantages of overdrive, if we look into the advantage of overdrive, when the car is moving ahead at constant speed, please mute all of your devices in the house. When the car is moving ahead at constant speed, when the car is moving ahead at constant speed, then it does not require more power to maintain that speed. Hence, to maintain the speed of the car, engine speed can be reduced using the overdrive. Using the overdrive. Using the overdrive. Another advantage by using this overdrive is high speed running of vehicle. High speed running of vehicle at low engine speed can be obtained. At low engine speed can be obtained. Fuel consumption decreases by using the overdrive. How the fuel consumption decreases? By using the overdrive, the load on the engine decreases. Once when the load on the engine decreases, it leads to a reduction in the fuel consumption. This is another added advantage by using the overdrive in the transmission system. Okay. The wear of the engine and the auxiliary units decreases. The wear of the engine reduces appreciably by using the overdrive. And due to reduction, another advantage you can, if we look into, due to reduction in engine speed, due to reduction in engine speed, considerable saving of fuel is achieved. Okay, due to reduction in the engine speed, considerable saving of fuel is achieved. And for required vehicle speed, engine is turning slowly for required vehicle speed. Engine is running slowly, hence its service life is increased. The overdrive can be controlled electrically or hydraulically from dashboard or a switch provided on the steering column. And these are the advantages what we are going to have by using this overdrive. And if we sum up how this advantages will going to be achieved, I will see when we go on a long drive. When we go on a long drive, if at all we are having the overdrive component in the transmission system, okay, by having the overdrive in the transmission system, the load on the engine it is reduced. Once when the load on the engine is reduced, the it provides high speed. It provides high speed to the vehicle. It provides high speed to the vehicle, and fuel economy is obtained. As we know, the India is such a country whereby it is composed with the middle class, more number of middle class people, and their expectations is the fuel economy. That is the first priority of their expectation, and fuel economy is the first priority of the middle class people, particularly in countries like India. And by using this overdrive, by using this overdrive, using this overdrive, it reduces the engine load. It reduces the engine load, and by reducing the engine load, it is obvious that with decreased engine load, we get better fuel economy. We get better fuel economy. Okay, and as far as the engine load is, once when the engine load is reduced with the use of overdrive, all of you look at this is very important point. As the engine load is reduced with the use of overdrive, which in turn reduces the wear and tear of the engine, which in turn reduces the wear and tear of the engine, as well as transmission box. So we can say that using the overdrive also reduces the maintenance cost of the vehicle. Okay. By looking this, we can say by using the overdrive, we can reduce the maintenance cost of the automobile vehicle. When we talk about the performance of the vehicle, once we talk about the performance of the vehicle, overdrive will provide 30 percentage of more speed than the engine speed. Okay, so this is an added advantage by overdrive. And generally presently this where the overdrive is used is in Audi car, in Mercedes E class, where luxury and smooth riding experience is the priority which cannot be compromised. Okay, these cars having automatic transmission system which is equipped with overdrive, which make them more luxurious. Okay, overdrive, we have seen its working principle. Okay, it is used in cars which can be enabled or disabled to use. See, overdrive, it is used in cars. Overdrive, it is used in cars which can be enabled or disabled using any of the electrical or magnetic or pneumatic method to button or to knob. Okay. So you see here we have two conditions. Once when the overdrive is disabled, once when the overdrive is enabled. Once when the overdrive is enabled, we are going to get the better fuel economy. We are going to get uh, reduced night. We are going to get reduced wear and tear, and we are going to have the smooth operation of the engine. These are all how it is going to beneficial to the vehicle by using this overdrive.